guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are going to be trying out new honeypop DIY face mask, and I'm super excited to try this out for you guys. Let me know if you guys are excited. Give me a thumbs up to see more trying out face mask videos. If you like this video and want to see videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hit that subscribe button. It's big, it's red, it's free. Who doesn't like free things? Click that notification bell so you can actually be notified when I upload a video. Check out the rest of my social media linked in the description, and let's get started. This is what the package looks like. This is what it comes in. It says honeypop, and then it has hashtag mix and mask, and then it says heart remi. Open it up. It comes in this giant thing of bubble wrap, and there's this little picture of Remi. It says, "Hi guys, thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. I hope you love honeypop as much as I do. Be sure to tag me in your pics in your face mask with the hashtag mix and mask and hashtag honeypop." Then it says heart remi. So this is the box. It's a little banged up, as you can see. I think they might want to rethink this thing and put it in a box. Honeypop, I'm on staycation tonight, DIY face mask kit and acne treatment. It comes with a kick it off mud mask base, scrub it away exfoliating jelly, chillax depuffing magic serum, clear vibes acne treatment. So this is what the back of the box looks like. And there's a drug facts thing right here. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. So when you open it up, it shows this. These are directions on how to use them. I didn't even read that. Cool. Get quite a few products in here. It was $40, and that's including shipping. 39 something. This is the Chillax Depuffing Magic Serum. It's just this blue. Also get this Immaculate Pores Clear Vibes Acne Treatment. Says see outer box for instructions and warnings. So basically all the instructions are on the outside of the box. That gets damaged in shipping or something, you wouldn't really have any directions. This is the honeypop kick it off mud mask base, and it's so cute. I love all the Hawaiian flowers, hibiscus. Someone's gonna correct me. I mean, I already know what it is. Oh, I love these squeeze bottle things. It also comes with, oh, I almost dropped it, the scrub it away exfoliating jelly. We have some stuff on the bottom. Okay. Oh, it's a little bowl, and then it has a little spoon. So I just took a few minutes to read the instructions. Basically, you take this, put it in a bowl, and I just dropped the rest of it in the box. Okay, combine it with the exfoliating jelly or the magic serum. This thing, you're supposed to leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes. I'm guessing for the acne treatment, it just says to cover the affected area. You just put it on the acne that you have. We're gonna try all of them. It only comes with one bowl. Gotta roll up the sleeves. Here's the mud mask. Do I have to take off? Yep, there's a little covering you gotta take off. Oh, I don't know how much I'm supposed to actually put in here. Ooh, can't really see what I'm doing. We're gonna do the exfoliating jelly. It's supposed to be this purple lilac color. They all have this thing. I always forget about that. Oh, it's like a purple jelly looking thing. What the actual heck? Stuff smells really good. I don't know what's in here, but it smells amazing. Oh wow, that's a lot. Probably way too much. And now we're gonna mix it. It's not really turning the purple color quite yet. So there's the purple. So this chillax stuff. I love the colors. I put a little more base in here. Oh, it's a little dropper thingy. How do I do this and show it to you? Because I need two hands. Take this. 3 drops. That looks good, right? Oh wow, it smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it's really good. There's the blue. Mix it up. Oh my god, it's actually turning the colors it's supposed to. Wow. Smells really good. There's my two. I think it's okay if they mix. It's fine. It's a DIY anyway. So those are my two mixtures. Acne treatment, I guess you just put it on your face. I don't really understand. That's what it says on the back of the box. Now to apply the mask, tie my hair back. The puffing stuff is supposed to go under the eyes, and then the rest of it just goes on all of your face. Hey Siri, can you set a timer for 30 minutes?
30 minutes and counting.
Great. So the mask is on. We're gonna wait for 30 minutes. I've truly never looked better. For the exfoliating jelly, that one definitely you need a lot more than the magic serum. I clearly did not apportion that correctly, but I tried to use as much of it as I can. So it has been 15 minutes. So for the eyes, I did the concealer type thing where you do the triangle. So we're gonna wash this off, and then I'm going to apply the acne treatment. It doesn't say to mix it with the mask. I mean, I guess you could. It doesn't say on the instructions to do that. It's so in my bathroom, and we're gonna wash it off. Okay. So the mask is now off. My face still feels, well, not still feels, but it also feels dry like the Skin Clear mask I tried. I don't feel like it's drying out my skin. It just feels like my skin is like freshly washed. Do you know what I mean? Now we're gonna put on the acne treatment. You guys probably can't tell, but I have a lot. I usually have acne like on my chin. It's like a dropper, same thing as the other one. Do I drop this like on my face like that? That feels really wrong, so I'm not gonna do that. Smells like acne treatment. I'm just spreading it around my chin. It has a little bit of color. It looks like my chin is kind of pink. Turned my finger pink. You can slightly tell. It has pineapple in it. Is that the citrus I'm smelling? Oh yeah, it smells so good. All of the things in this kit smell amazing. Great job, Remi. Great job on the smell. Has it been depuffed? I think maybe a little bit. If you want to go rewatch the beginning of this video, you can like compare because I'm not wearing any makeup in this video. I think it worked. A little bit. Obviously, if you use it 2 to 3 times, it will probably depuff it more, but I think they're slightly less puffy. What the heck? Like if I smile, it like goes back to its original puffiness. I think it worked. Whatever is in this. The ingredients are like right here. I don't know how to pronounce any of it. It worked. I'm shocked. And this exfoliating jelly thing, I think this worked too. My skin feels really, really clean. And when I was washing it off, I like rubbed in the exfoliating little beads because there's little beads in here. I don't know if you can tell because it's such a dark color. There's like little exfoliating beads and it's so awesome and it smells really good. Oh my god. It just smells so good. Okay guys, so that concludes this video. I hoped you guys... Okay, starting over. So that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have tried the honeypop DIY face mask and acne treatment and how you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments. Personally, really like it. I think it's amazing. I love the DIY aspect and it's really fun mixing it. It's just so fun. It's not like a mask I've ever tried before. Great job, Remi. I think she did a really great job on the packaging, on the product, on the concept. It's just so cute. I think it works. My acne, normally when I put acne treatment on, it like really stings my face and it didn't do that. I love that. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up so that I know, and let me know in the comments if there's any other beauty products that you guys would like me to try out. Let me know what they are in the comments, and if you have any video requests, let me know in the comments. If you've made it to the end and you're watching me right now, you should definitely hit that big red subscribe button. It's free, and click the notification bell so you can actually be notified when a video goes live. YouTube might not notify you. Also check out the rest of my social medias. They will be in the description box. Check out my previous videos and my vlog channel. They'll be linked on the screen and also in the description. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!